So we're given these points 2, 1, and 3, minus 4. These are the opposite vertices of a parallelogram. And if we look at this line here, it has a slope of minus 1/9 if you rearrange it. So the parallelogram is probably something like that. It's just more for qualitative purposes. And we're told that this line that goes through the other two vertices is that. So how do we figure out C here? Well, once you know what to do, it's easy, which is you figure out the midpoint of these 2 points, and that line, the other diagonal, has to go through that midpoint. So the midpoint here would be just the averages of the x coordinates. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus half, and then minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 over 2. So this line has to pass through that, which is you can just replace x and y. Plus 9 times minus 3 over 2 plus c equal to 0, which means c is 1 plus 27 over 2 is 14. So I actually didn't see this when I first approached this question, and I think that means that in the exam I would probably just set this aside or skip. I think it took me like 10 minutes. I tried different things. I mean, of course, it's simple once you know what to do, but the reality is that in the exam conditions, you might not be able to make that connection. I wasn't able to, and clearly you can't afford to spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Of course, the exam is only 40 minutes. So this can make or break things, so it's better to just kind of move on. Sometimes things just don't click. That's just the way how it is. So it was difficult for me. I'm not sure for others it might not be, but that's just how it goes. So keep that in mind, that figure out for you what type of questions can create that kind of scenario where it's a time sink. You want to avoid those. But yeah, once you know what to do, it's obviously it's really easy. Maybe it takes 15 seconds. But if you don't, it can be a huge problem. So to summarize, the answer is 14.